मदरसा क्या है, मदरसे में क्या पढ़ाया जाता है, मदरसा क्यों ज़रूरी है, इन्हीं बातों को वो अपने ज़ुबान बताएंगे। इसलिए कि आप लोग ज़्यादातर यहाँ मुझे महसूस हो रहा है कि आप पढ़े लिखे तबका है, आप इंशाअल्लाह हर चीज़ को समझते हैं। आप यकीन हौसला अफजाई कीजिए और इनकी अच्छी तालीम के लिए, तरबियत के लिए दुआ कीजिए। वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाह।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल अंबिया'i वल मुरसलीन व अला आलिहि व सहबिहि अजमईन, अम्मा बाद। फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। My prominent teacher and valued guest, today I would like to shed light about the importance of education. This is very important topic. I hope you will listen my speech carefully. My dear dignitaries, nowadays education is considered to be a gift of modern age. But in fact, it is the gift of Islam which was given 1445 years ago. Because when the sun of Islam was enlightening the world was passing through the dark age of history. Ignorance was prevailing all over the world. There was neither a school nor a college and library that time. Islam laid down the foundation of education, and Islam emphasized nothing more than education. Seeking knowledge is sacred duty, and it is obligatory on every Muslim, both male and female. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah AKRAM number 96, اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم. Read with the name of your Lord who has created. He has created from a cloud. Read, and your Lord is the most generous, who has taught writing by the pen. He taught mankind which he did not know. My dear audience, these are first verses of the Holy Quran which was revealed to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam from Allah. The word Iqra, which means to read, to seek knowledge, to educate yourself, etc. It indicates the importance of education in Islam. The importance of education was repeated again in Surah Taha. Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah number 20, verse number 114, وَقُلْ رَبِّ زِدْنِي عِلْمًا. My Lord, increase me in knowledge. My dear brethren, this verse indicates that whatever we know is limited, we need to ask Allah to increase our knowledge. Seeking every knowledge is good, but the knowledge of Islam and the knowledge of Quran and Hadith and the knowledge of Fiqh and Sharia are better than the modern education, which make our Iman and Deen perfect and well. As it is mentioned in Surah Al-Fatih number 35, verse number 28. إنما يخشى الله من عباده العلماء إن الله عزيز غفور. Truly, only those who fear Allah from among His servants who have knowledge. Indeed, Allah is exalted in might and forgiving. My dear fellows, the knowledge of religion means ilm deen, which is obligatory on every Muslim. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Talabul ilmi faridatun ala kulli muslimin wa muslimah." Acquiring knowledge is obligatory on every Muslim, both male and female. And in one another hadith, our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said about himself, "Ana bu'ithtu mu'allima." I was sent down as a teacher. Therefore, the companions of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam engaged themselves in learning and teaching. My dear audience, education can be divided in two types. One is the Islamic education and second is the modern education.
MashaAllah.
It's responsibility of every parent that they educate their children with both types of education. Because by the religious education, our children will be able to differ lawful and from unlawful. And they will know what is Islam, what does Allah want to us, why we have been created. what is Tawheed, Risalat, Salah, Zakat and Hajj, etc. And second type of education is modern education. By this education, our children can be a doctor, engineer, advocate, scientist and artist, etc. But the knowledge of modern education is acquiring only for benefits of community, society and for earning money and for solving the social problem.
माशाअल्लाह, माशाअल्लाह, बहुत खूब।